So what's up, y'all? Back with Boys Garage doing another video today, and today we're doing a review on this. So y'all stay tuned.
I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Get out and in for Cotton Eye Joe. I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
Okay, so it's been a little while since I've done a video on my channel here, my main one. Now it's because I've had a pretty busy week with some stuff. I've been doing some stuff on my other two channels, so and my gaming channel. And depending on how long those are, they can be aggravating to save. Because the mission Their Land, Their Blood on Call of Duty, Cold War, World at War, that was so aggravating trying to save because it was so long. It took me forever to get that thing to save. But also today here in Alabama, it's been a very hot week. Today is up in the 90s, and which when I checked earlier, it was 93 degrees today, and humidity, it says it feels like 106. So we've had a pretty hot week down here. But I got a review here I'm going to do, so stay tuned. Okay, so this is a billy goat, and some people might even know what this thing does, but this is actually a thing that sucks up leaves. Now you can actually get an attachment where you can actually convert this into a chipper shredder, and on the front right here you can take the cover off, put like a vacuum tube. So I'm gonna have to hurry. It's starting to thunder, so I don't want to be out here when it's raining. So here's the bag, which I did show this in a video a long time ago, but this is how you turn it on and off. And you don't want to operate this without the bag in place, because you know all this stuff flat hitting and shit, you know, it's bad. And right here, this is the engine. Now the sticker came off, but this is a Briggs & Stratton Quantum 5 horsepower engine. Pretty good engine by Briggs & Stratton. And when I first got this, there was a dirt dauber nest inside of it right here. We got this from my uncle. He had it sitting in his yard. He didn't want it in his way, so he sold it to us. And I think it's actually a pretty good piece of equipment. Now this thing right here, how you lower it up and down and stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna start up, maybe reposition my camera here. Okay. Okay, so I found out we've got some kind of carburetor issue. Okay, good. I took the air filter and cover off, so I'll show you this one. and it's not on choke, as you can see. You can't see, but okay. So as you can see, it's not on choke. Choke would be all the way up here. So unfortunately, that means we've got some kind of carburetor issue that's going to have to be fixed and pulled apart. So I might do that next video doing this, because it's kind of being aggravating today, and I'm getting aggravated, and I'm also hungry, so I haven't eaten today. So so it's sort of a semi-successful review. So I'm gonna have to pull the carbon stuff off and figure out what the problem is. Might have the clogged jet or something. I'll do that this week. But I was gonna try to get them leaves up over there. That's why I blew them out from the tree. But if I can't get this working, I'll probably cut them up with the mower. Okay, so I'm fixing to wash everything up, and I took the air filter and stuff off so I get the gas out, which unfortunately didn't make a mess all over the frame here and stuff, but for the most part I got it. I do need to change this air filter though, because it is pretty dirty. But luckily I think I should be able to find one on Bridges Train's website, or Stan's might make one. I mean, there's still a little bit of gas coming there right there. I need to go get the rag and get that up. But so if you like this video and want to see more like it, don't give me a thumbs up. That'll help me out a lot. And subscribe to my other two channels, the Backwoods Apparel and the Backwoods Gaming, and also subscribe to the Backwoods Boys Garage. I'll see y'all next video.